Hi everyone, today we are going to see what is MAC address in penetration testing. As part of introduction about the MAC address, in general MAC address stands for Media Access Control. Both MAC address and IP address are used to uniquely identify the device on the internet. But the main difference is the MAC address will be given by the NIC manufacturer. So that means that NIC stands for Network Interface Controller. Whichever the network device is there, the manufacturer will be providing the MAC address to the device. Whereas IP address will be provided by the ISP, which stands for Internet Service Provider. In memory point of view, when you compare with IP address, MAC address will be having the 6 octets, or in other words it will be 48 bits. The example has been given here. In other comparison, you can have the delimiter as the colon here, whereas IP address will be having the dot symbol. The main difference between the MAC and IP address is that MAC address will be called as a physical address of the computer or the network device, whereas the IP address will be called as the logical address. The logical address can be changing, whereas physical address cannot be changed. But in some scenarios, the engineers can change the physical address, but it actually not changing, it is spoofing the physical address. It can be returned back when you reconnect to the device, or let's say you can just restart the device. The other main difference between the IP and MAC address is that the IP address will be having the identification of your device along with the network. So that means that the IP address are used to uniquely identify the connection of network with that device. So this is all about the definition about the MAC address. The second part of our video is terminal. These are the same commands that we used in the last session, but we are going to discuss where it will be having the MAC address and how can we find out what is the difference between the MAC and IP address along with all the outputs. And after that we are going to use the Python module getMAC. So there is a module called getMAC. So with that module we can get the MAC address of any device by providing the interface name or IP address or IPv6 address. First we will start with ipconfig. Sorry, in Windows it is ipconfig. In Linux it will be ifconfig. Here you can see all the things, but however we will be seeing whichever has the prefix called ether, that will be hardware address, or let's say the MAC address. Here you can see the Ethernet 0 having the MAC address. In the same way WLAN has the MAC address. Loopback will not have any MAC address because it is just connecting to the same system back just to interact with the same system. So now we have seen where MAC address is actually located inside the output of our ifconfig. The same thing you can do with IP address. Here you can see wherever you can see the either, so that will be having the MAC address. The difference between the previous command and this command is it will have some listing and it will have some colorings as well. So you can easily identify the MAC addresses or the IP addresses. Even you can use some Linux commands such as grep command. So by using the grep command, wherever it has the either keyword, so that will be taken as the output. Now you can see the IP address, the MAC addresses has been given here. One is from the Ethernet, another one is from the WLAN. Now we will go back to the PyCharm. So in Python code point of view, once you understand the differentiate, or let's say the main point about the MAC address and IP address, so getting the MAC address will be very easy when you use the module called getMAC. The line number 1 will have the import statement for the getMAC. If you don't have it, you need to install that one by simply using the command pip install getMAC. Or you can go to the settings and you can get the installation. So project interpreter, there you will be having the plus symbol. Here you can just try to find out the same thing. GetMAC. Here you can see Since I have already installed, I am not going to install from here. So just cancel all these things. Now you can see the module name getMAC.getMACaddress. Here you can give the interface name. Since I am going to get only the Ethernet 0 and WLAN, I am giving only those names and I am going to run it. Here you can see the MAC address of the Ethernet and MAC address of the WLAN. If you want to compare, you can compare it here. The first one is the Ethernet and second one is the WLAN. And the same way you can go to the documentation of the getMAC. It's not only interface you can give the IP address or IP6 or the host name as well. Here you can see the different documentation about the arguments what you can send for the getMAC address. So in total we have seen what is MAC address. So MAC address will be called as a physical address, or say let's say the permanent address. Even the engineers can spoof that it will not be changed permanently. So whenever you reconnect or you restore, the permanent address will be coming back to your device. And this MAC address will be given by the manufacturer of the NIC. And we have seen the terminal commands ifconfig and IP address, which we have seen in the last video. Nevertheless, we have seen where to actually identify the MAC address and what is the significance of that. And after that, we have seen what is the module will be used in the PyCharm. So the module name is getMAC, and we will be using that, and we will be calling the method getMAC address, and we can use the different arguments such as like a IP, IP6 version or interface, or let's say host name. We can send it and we can get it. So this is all about the MAC address. So see you soon. Have a great day.